as usual. And first things first, a huge thank you to each and every single one of you for your continued love and support of this little creative corner of the internet. Now my friends, if you haven't done so already, please hit that all important subscribe button so that you don't miss a video or a creation here on the Evelyn Adore channel. Now this week my friends, as summer really does start to draw to a close, we've been so lucky here in the Scottish Highlands because autumn isn't here quite yet. But while it's on its way, I thought I would share with you my most favourite and most worn creations of this summer season. And as always my friends, yes, there'll be links in the description box below so that you can create those creations for yourself to your own measurements. But without further ado, Luna's going to take a nap by the look of it. Let's get looking at this gorgeous pile of most worn summer creations 2023. Let's go. First up my friends are the gorgeous caftans that I created last summer right here on the channel. These have been an absolute godsend while I've been recovering from my recent cancer surgery. These, my friends, are incredibly easy to make. So if you're a beginner sewer, I really suggest you give this project a go. But shh, don't tell anyone how easy they are to create because they look so glamorous and chic, my friends. Take a look. Next up my friends, yes, you know it. If you've been watching my creations recently on the channel, you will know about this two-piece set inspired by the 1940s beachwear and loungewear pyjamas. Now you can see this is getting a lot of wear because I'm actually wearing the top to speak to you today. And here are the matching pleated trousers. Now my friends, this creation is one that I am most proud of out of everything I've ever created. I absolutely love how aesthetically pleasing this set is, and not only that, it's incredibly comfy to wear. Shh, don't tell anybody. I might be creating a set of these in every single colour of the rainbow. And talking of creating a creation that you love in every colour of the rainbow, I have been wearing these polymer clay hoops that I created here on the channel recently, my friends, constantly, and I've created a rainbow colour spectrum of them. Definitely check out that channel too, because polymer clay is a really easy, quick and satisfying project when you just want a creative fix but maybe haven't got a whole day to draft, create or sew. Definitely be checking some of my polymer clay tutorials out, my friends. I'll pop some links in the description box below. Next up, I absolutely loved the capsule summer wardrobe that I created using this beautiful cotton sateen from Minerva this year. One of my ultimate favourite pieces from that capsule wardrobe was this beautiful, beautiful shirt dress. Now this shirt dress, which you can see in a second with some good footage, my friends, is actually based on an original vintage dress that I own. And yes, I've been wearing it near constantly because not only does it look gorgeous, this fabric feels so nice next to my skin, and it's just one of those pieces that you can just throw on and it looks like you spent ages deciding what to wear. No, you just grabbed a shirt dress and stuck it on. It was that easy. And if you'd like to make one of your own to your very own measurements, my friends, yes, you guessed it, there's a drafting tutorial right here on the channel, link in the description box. Talking about this gorgeous cotton sateen, my friends, another piece from that wardrobe that I absolutely love and has been in circulation in my wardrobe quite often recently is the gathered button front skirt that I created. Now, if you've watched that video, my friends, you will remember that the remaining buttons hadn't turned up by the time I wanted to create and upload that video. And yes, you'll see, I still haven't put those buttons on. But my friends, there is a good reason. I've been wearing this button front skirt with just the single button at the waistband over shorts most of the summer. It's great for a cover up so that when you're on the beach in a bathing suit or smaller shorts, for example, pop a skirt like this over the top and you're ready to hit the cafe or the bar. I think I might actually have to make another one that's completely button front and leave this one with just the single button on the waistband. We'll see. Oh, I love it. And I also love how tightly packed the gathers are. It really gives a gorgeous full skirt effect. Beautiful. And my friends, talking of simple gathered skirts, this one in this gorgeous flower print scuba that I created here on the channel last summer has been getting quite a lot of wear as well. Now, if you'd like to find out how to make a really simple gathered skirt like these, my friends, yes, you guessed it, there's a tutorial right here on the channel. And a project like this is also really super beginner friendly. So if you're looking to start sewing and not sure where to begin, definitely give one of these gathered skirts or one of the caftans a go. The links are in the description box, my lovelies. Getting quite a pile of clothes on my lap here. It's when you realise quite how much you've created in the last few years and how much of it you actually use. Do you know what, my friends? Actually, it's very rare now that I wear something on an everyday basis that I've bought rather than actually made, which I'm seeing as a massive win in my book. I've also loved to wear these little sets that I've created for the beach. Now, the bottom of this set is actually the Jane set by Charm Patterns shorts with the sarong overskirt. Lovely, I absolutely love wearing those to the beach. And the top, I believe it's Simplicity 1426. Don't quote me on it, I'll check. Could be right, could be wrong. Now this version is the version that is a halter neck top, and I'll pop some pictures of me wearing it in just a second just so you can see it better. And there are actually a few different versions of top included on that pattern, so it's definitely worth your pennies. And I've done such a great job at lining this top. Look at this in the most gorgeous pink, it's just beautiful. And I've made another top just like this one in this really pretty blue gingham print as well. And the shorts that go with that top are actually my very own self-drafted 40 style shorts. And yes, you guessed it, there's a tutorial so that you can create your very own 40 style shorts here on the channel. Yeah, broken record time, link in the description box, my friends. I'm so good to you. What can I say? Talking of beach and swimwear, my friends, I absolutely love the Barbie inspired swimsuit that I created here on the channel earlier this year. And I love the fact that I went for green gingham instead of the pink that everyone appears to be going crazy for. It's a bit gone Barbie crazy, hasn't it? And I absolutely love the scalloped edge that I created. I'm thinking of revisiting this swimsuit as well and modifying it to be able to add a actual bra shelf insert into there. So watch this space. Absolutely love this. Like, quite a lot of gingham, isn't there? And quite a lot of flowers. I'm seeing a theme emerge, my friends. And the last make in my most worn summer series this year, my friends, is this. This is the Frenchy Pen Noir baby doll from Gertie's World on Patreon. And once again, I'll pop some images of me wearing it shortly so that you can see it, my friends. This baby doll has been indispensable while I've been recovering and while it's been really, really warm here in the Scottish Highlands. I feel so cute and adorable wearing it. Not only that, it's so comfortable to wear. Definitely, if you haven't done so already, my friends, check out Gertie and Charm Patterns and check out her Patreon too. I'll definitely put a link to both of those in the description box below. Anyone who's watched my videos here on the channel for any amount of time will know how much I love Gertie and Charm Patterns, and the Frenchy Pen Noir is no exception. So definitely go and check those out, my friends. Here's some captures of me wearing this gorgeous pen noir. So, did that wake you up? I'm sorry. There you go, my friends. My most worn and most loved and treasured makes this summer. I've made quite a lot of new garments this year, but I've also returned to some of my favourites from last year too, including those 1940s style shorts and those caftans. So if you're thinking about getting into sewing, my friends, please stick around here on the Evelyn Adore channel, where there'll be lots more creative fun, pattern drafting and sewing, and more vintage style inspiration coming up and coming your way each week, every Friday at midnight GMT. Please, if you haven't done so already, my friends, hit that all important subscribe button down below so you never miss a video here on the channel, and so I know that your support is there. Also, come along and follow me on Instagram. My username is @EvelynAdore. But until next week, I'm going to grab a cuppa and be a little bit more quiet so Luna can get her dog nap in. She's always sleeping. Definitely a dog's life. Take care, my wonderful friends.